In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a Steam game that's stuck validating. If your game keeps getting stuck during the validation process and refuses to launch, don't worry. We'll go through a few straightforward steps that can help resolve the issue and get you back into your game as quickly as possible. Follow along carefully, and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Steam application on your computer. If it isn't already running, locate the Steam icon on your desktop or in your applications list and launch it. Once Steam opens, make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If prompted, click the Login button, enter your account name and password, then select Sign In to access your Steam library. Before moving on, if the issue is happening with an EA game, you'll need to download the EA app installer. Once you've downloaded it, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions until the installation is complete. After the EA app has been installed, open it and check whether there's a repair option available for your game. If there is, start the repair process and allow it to finish completely. This step can replace damaged or missing files that may be preventing the game from validating correctly. Once that's done, return to Steam and completely close the application. Click the Steam menu in the upper left corner and choose Exit so the program shuts down fully. After a few moments, launch Steam again and return to the main window. Next, click the Steam menu once more and open Settings. From the Settings menu, select Downloads. Here you'll find the option to clear download cache. Click it and allow Steam to remove any temporary download data. This can often resolve problems caused by corrupted cache files and may help the validation process complete successfully. After clearing the cache, remain in the Settings menu and open the Storage section. Locate your active Steam library drive, click the three-dot menu beside it, and choose Repair Library folder. Steam will scan the library location and repair any issues it detects, helping ensure your installed games are stored correctly. Once the repair is finished, try launching your game again. In many cases, these steps are enough to resolve validation problems and get everything working normally. Hopefully your game now opens without getting stuck, and you can get back to playing without any further interruptions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming.